Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, it is brought to you by Reshine Hair. This is a company I haven't worked with before, but I'm going to show you this very beginner-friendly pre-cut lace closure wig. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. So we're going to start off with some unboxing here, and this is what the wig came in. The curl pattern is gorgeous. This is what the lace looks like. This is a pre-cut lace wig. We love pre-cut lace wigs because it's more convenient. It doesn't come with any combs in there, only the adjustable strap, but that's really all you need. You have that 4x6 area. This is a closure wig, so it's going to be even more beginner friendly. And usually with my wigs, I'll try them on one day and then style them the next day. But when I tried this on, I was like, oh, okay, this is really nice and just fresh out the pack. So I didn't even wash this wig. I just styled it right out the pack. It's that easy. You guys know I keep it real with you. This was one of the easiest installs. That's why this video is going to be so short. So what I did was with the pre-cut lace wigs, it's great that they're pre-cut, but to me, they still leave a little bit too much lace on there. So I went in and trimmed it back a little bit and added more ridges in there. So the lace was a lot more undetectable. Now I usually use like foam or something if I'm doing a glueless install, but I didn't use any today. So I'm using my 𝐿𝐼𝐿 lace tint spray in the shade light warm brown, and I'm just patting off some of the excess. You can blow dry it so it dries and everything as well. So it helped with tinting the lace, but it was still a little bit ashy on me. So after I tinted the lace, I used my Palladio stick foundation in mocha, I believe, either mocha or cinnamon, but probably mocha because that's what I use for my contour. And I used my brush and I went on top of my lace to make it melt better and not have that ashy line, because when you use an adhesive or the Nairobi foam, it's gonna melt more and so your lace is less detectable. But today I didn't use anything, so this is like 100%, like beyond 100% glueless. A lace tint and the foundation definitely made it look more natural. It's still going to be a little bit of a white cast or a white halo around my hairline because I didn't use any adhesive, no foam or any temporary adhesives. I would actually recommend that you at least use the foam so it's more of a seamless install and you don't have to worry about, that white halo or anything like that. Now I'm going to wake up the parting space with this press powder from CoverGirl. I forgot what shade I had. I've had it for a very long time. It's deeper than the Maybelline 332 that I usually use because for some reason, well, actually I have my summer color now, so the 332 is a little bit too ashy now. So have this deeper shade. It's just going to open up that part, make it look more natural and blend very well with the front of the hairline. I'm going to take my Nairobi foam. I'm not going to use it on my hairline like I usually do for a glueless install. I'm going to use it just on the top of the hair to kind of mold it because I had some parts that were, just a little bit lumpy, and I want to kind of tame some of the curls towards the top. Not the length of the hair. The length of the hair is perfect. This is just like a finishing touch kind of thing with this wig. This was such a easy install. And these convenient wigs like this, they're so stress-free and beginner-friendly. But even if you're just not a beginner and you're very well, versed in wigs and everything, you want something convenient sometimes, especially like for summer, because wearing wigs in the summer can be a pain. And these glueless installs are just so nice. And I love this 24 inches in this water wave texture. It is stunning. And this is the final look here, you guys. This is a glueless install, pre-cut lace. The hairline is already tweezed for you guys. You see how I'm lifting it up. Super, super easy. I'm going to read a little bit of specs for you guys. Okay, so as far as the specs go, this is their real glueless 4x6 HD lace curly wig. So this is a closure wig and it's a pre-cut lace wig and it has 180% density. So the price is $191.35. But if you use the code FANS at checkout, you will get a discount. The final cost will be $172.21, which is very affordable. And you get that nice, 13x6 look, but that nice 13x6 frontal look, but you get it in a closure version, which is easier and definitely more beginner friendly. And because it's a closure, it's more affordable as well. So if you're a beginner or somebody that just wants something easy, I definitely recommend these kinds of wigs. The hardest thing about this wig is going to be tinting your lace, and that just depends on your complexion and how the products you use to tint your lace. That's the hardest thing about this wig. Everything else is very easy. And of course I did a sunlight test for you guys, and I think it looks really, really good outside, especially to not have any adhesives or foam on there. And I just used my pressed powder, my parting space, and my contour on my lace, so it wasn't ashy on camera or anything like that. And I think it looks really, really good. Yeah, so overall, I have no issues with this wig. You just have to make sure you get your lace tinted to your complexion. And outside of that, it's easy right out the box. I think this curl pattern is gorgeous, and they made it very, very easy for you guys. I didn't have any excessive shedding or anything like that, but I have to check it out once I actually washed it, because I did style it right out the box. But yes, I hope companies continue to do more of these kinds of wigs, because we like convenience, whether we are beginners or more advanced and everything like that. So shout out to Reshine Hair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and comment down below. And I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye guys.